Hi, Richard.
Hi, Sarah.
Richard, you look really sad. What's going on?
I was thinking about YFR and how we're going to miss out on seeing all our friends. I was really looking forward to seeing Stephen and Gareth this summer.
Oh, I know. It is really sad that we're not going to get to see our friends in person. But at least we get to watch the online YFR event on July 4th.
We will, and that's going to be great fun. But yeah, I'm still going to miss seeing my friends.
It is pretty sad. But you know, we've chosen the title of the online YFR as Hope in God, to show that God is with us through all our trials and troubles. I've got an idea. Why don't we make a craft to show Gareth and Stephen how much you care about them? You can send it to them in the mail.
That sounds great. Let's give it a go.
Okay guys, to make this friendship bracelet craft, you don't need a lot of stuff. You'll need scissors, a pen or a pencil, a ruler or measuring tape, embroidery thread, and a circle of card, which you can cut out of a cereal box, or we've used a pack from a flat of pop here. We've chosen rainbow colors to symbolize the rainbow, which is the symbol of the event Hope in God. Once you've laid out your colors, you can take each one and cut a length 45 centimeters long. This will form your bracelet. Once you've cut your 7 strands of string, get your parent to help you work with the card. You're going to cut slits 1.5 centimeters all the way around the card in equal distances from each other. Start by doing 2 across from each other, and then 2 the other way, and then you can just do 1 slit in between the ones you've already made. Finally, you're going to take your pen or pencil and poke a hole through the middle so you have a hole that you can stick the knot of the cords through. Okay, once you have your 7 threads, you're going to cut each one into a string about 45 centimeters long. And then you can tie them at one end into a little knot. Then you'll take the knot and just push it through the hole in the center of your card. You might have to use your pen just to poke it through there. Good job. Now, once you have your knot through, you're going to take the threads, starting with your red, and put them in rainbow color into the slots that you created on the card. Once you have your card set up like this, you're ready to start weaving your bracelet. Keep the empty slit closest to you, and then count 3 away from the slit. So 1, 2, 3 brings you to the yellow one. You're going to take that strand out of its slit and bring it over to the empty one. Now rotate the card so the empty slit is closest again to you, and again count 1, 2, 3 away, and this time you're going to bring the indigo string into the empty slot. Now repeat. 1, 2, 3, so the red one comes into the empty slot. And let's try one more. 1, 2, 3, the green one. As you work with your thread, your bracelet will start to grow out the other side. Once your bracelet is long enough to fit around your friend's wrist, pop it out of the card and tie a knot in the other end. Then you can use scissors to trim the ends, just so it looks neat and tidy.
Richard, you've done an excellent job making your rainbow bracelet here.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it was a lot of fun to do, and a lot easier than I thought it was going to be too.
And now you can send it to your friends, and they'll be able to remember that a rainbow is God's symbol of hope. Not just now during the pandemic, but anytime we need Him. And who are you going to send it to?
This is going a special delivery to Mr. Stephen McCabe in Northern Ireland. And there's going to be one for Garth Andrews also.
Guys, don't forget to send us a little picture of your finished bracelet, and you can tell us in the comments who you're sending it to and post it on our Facebook page. Thank you. Bye.